Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick video I will show you how to open any Steam game on your second monitor, and it will be a fully updated video for you. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you just need to make sure your second monitor is connected and detected by Windows. Right click on your desktop and select display setting and make sure your display are arranged correctly. You can drag them around to match your physical setup. Then set second monitor as a primary. It would be an optional, like one easy way is to set up your second monitor as your primary display. Most game launch on the primary screen by default. In display settings, select your second monitor and check make this my main display. This launch your Steam game, it should open on that monitor. So use window or borderless mode. Like if you don't want to change your primary display, launch your game in window or borderless window mode. Drag the game window to your second monitor. Once it's there, you can often switch it back to full screen. It should stay on the second screen, or you can do force with alt plus enter. Like another quick trick, if the game jumps back, try pressing alt plus enter to toggle between window and full screen. This helps lock it to the monitor you want. There's another way you can see that. Let's go to the setting over here, just click this one, community store, and here you will find out, just click to the support, or we can go with this platform here, and let's reopen this platform, Steam apps in our desktop. Just go over here and let's open this one, just Steam, and here I will select the Steam and then go to the setting, and from that place you will find out this options. Here you can see interface, so here you can set it up for you, and you can see the taskbar setting also. Then you can see the broadcast if you feel, so you can make it as you want, like Steam game on your second monitor. So I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.